what are the top 5 things a woman should do when she gets a diagnosis of PCOS. Okay, so the first and most important thing is to not panic. Okay, so the moment you get a diagnosis of PCOS, or if somebody tells you that you may have PCOS, the first thing to do is not to panic, not to go into a state of negativity. Okay, so you need to understand that it is a fairly common condition and many women around you are actually suffering from this and coping with it day on day, right? So the first thing to do is not to panic. The second thing to do when you get a diagnosis of PCO is to go to the right setup or a healthcare provider or doctor. So what I mean is, usually amongst the many conditions that women are suffering with, PCO usually takes a back seat, okay, because it's a very common condition. First of all, they say that the treatment is very easy, and it is quite time consuming to treat a person with PCO because there are multiple aspects that are involved. Okay, so usually women with PCO, the treatment takes a back seat. Okay, so you need to go to a setup where you're very comfortable with the person and also the allied health professionals, like the physiotherapists and dietitians who are there in that setup, because they are also going to play a very important role in your treatment. Okay, the third thing that you need to do, is to change your lifestyle. Okay, what do I mean by lifestyle? The way you eat, the way you exercise, okay, and the last thing is the way you think. Okay, that is very crucial, because without changing your mindset, you cannot cope with PCO easily. The fourth thing that you need to do is track your cycles on a regular basis. Okay, so you need to track the day in which you're getting your cycle and also the symptoms that are commonly associated with before you get your periods. Okay, there are multiple apps that are available on the Play Store for this. So period tracking is very, very important. Month on month or whenever you get your cycle, it's very important to track your cycles. The last important thing is, you need to understand that PCO has a very significant emotional component. Okay, so the most common things that are associated with PCO, obviously when you see, is the acne or the pimples and the unwanted hair growth that you see, and most women have weight gain associated with PCO. These three things cause significant emotional disturbances, right? So you need to understand that along with your physical component that you are going through, there is an emotional component also which you need to take care of. Okay, and you need to understand that both the physical and emotional components go hand in hand, and understanding that both are the same is very, very important in the management of PCO. Okay, so to summarize the 5 things that you need to do when you get a diagnosis of PCO: first of all, don't panic, don't go into negativity. Second, meet a reliable, trustworthy healthcare provider who can take care of your symptoms as well as your PCO management completely. Third is modifying your lifestyle. Fourth is tracking your periods, and the fifth is understanding that there is an emotional component also, and you have to address it along with your physical component. Alright, so I hope you will do these 5 important things when you get a diagnosis of PCO. I hope it was clear. Thank you very much for watching.